Did you know the extra fat you're carrying could be silently driving heart disease, fueling type 2 diabetes, and even raising your cancer risk long before you ever feel it?
Fighting extra body fat. We can do this with exercise and you need to stay active, but we can also do that by eating food.
Dr. William Li is a renowned physician, scientist, and New York Times best-selling author, best known for his groundbreaking research on how food impacts health and fights diseases. As the president of the Angiogenesis Foundation, Dr. Li has transformed the way we understand diet and its role in healing the body. Recently, he released another book titled Eat to Beat Diet, further expanding on his insights into health and wellness.
Human metabolism emerged only 4 phases of metabolism across humans over the course of life. Everyone followed the exact same pattern. So the inner workings of our metabolism are exactly the same. This idea that you were born with fast or slow, completely wrong. And the 4 phases are absolutely fascinating. 0 to 1, your metabolism skyrockets when you're a baby to 1 year old. At 1 year old, your metabolism, baby's metabolism is faster, 50% faster than their metabolism as an adult, okay? Which is surprising. From 1 year old to 20 years old, all the way through puberty, when you see kids sprouting up, when they're super active, when they're eating 2 dinners, teenagers, okay, metabolism is going down, okay, so completely different than what we thought. From age 20 to age 60, metabolism is completely rock stable, is how we are hardwired. This is through your first job, this is through your pregnancy, this is through your menopause, all right? It's exactly the same. And then from age 60 to 90, it does decline a little bit, only about 17%. By the time you're 90, compared to when you were 60, which is the same as compared to your 20. So when you're 90 years old, our hardwired metabolism is only 17% lower than when you were 20. Now, here's what happens. So that's the pattern of human metabolism. It's a bombshell that this is how we're actually wired. Now, what happens is that when you start adding back the effects of body fat into that equation, what do you think happens? You take this beautiful 4-stage pattern and you start to suppress it, okay? So you squash the metabolism. So it's not that slow metabolism causes you to gain body fat and gain weight. It's that extra body fat and weight squashes your metabolism. It's completely the other way around.
Metabolism is how your body turns the food you eat into energy. It's the engine behind everything you do, from breathing and thinking to moving around and even resting. The good news? It's not set in stone. The way you eat and live can actually shape and boost your metabolism over time.
What do I think about weight loss? I think that not everyone needs to lose weight, but everyone needs to understand that excess body fat, including skinny people that might not be able to see their body fat, it could be packed like peanuts inside a thin frame. Like, okay, you go to FedEx, you're gonna ship, some long fluorescent lights, you're gonna put the lights in the box, you're gonna add peanuts in it. You can overpack peanuts, tape it up, still a skinny box, but it's way overstuffed. And in our skinny bodies, in a skinny body, you can have those extra peanuts and harmful fat choking your organs and releasing really harmful inflammatory substances. So here's what I think. I think we should all try to aim at getting back to our baseline metabolism so we can be who our body wants us to be from a metabolic perspective. And part of that is by fighting extra body fat. We can do this with exercise, and you need to stay active, but we can also do that by eating food.
These are dried beans, cannelli beans. These are actually delicious. You soak them, cook them, stew them. There's all kinds of things you can do with beans. Beans actually light up your metabolism.
Number 1. Dry beans. Cannellini beans, also known as white kidney beans, are a nutritious food that can support a healthy metabolism and help with fat loss. They're packed with plant-based protein and fiber, which keep you feeling full longer and help control appetite, making it easier to avoid overeating. The protein also helps maintain muscle, which is important for keeping your metabolism active. One unique benefit of cannellini beans is a natural compound called phaseolamin, which can slow down the digestion of carbohydrates. This helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar and may reduce the amount of sugar your body stores as fat. They're also a great source of B vitamins, which your body uses to turn food into energy efficiently. Since they're low in fat and help manage hunger and blood sugar, adding cannellini beans to your meals can be a smart and satisfying way to support weight management and boost overall metabolic health. Number 2. Mushrooms.
Dried mushrooms. Mushrooms contain a soluble fiber called beta-D-glucan, and beta-glucan actually fires up your brown fat, which is a space heater that burns down harmful fats. So mushrooms are really great.
Mushrooms are a simple, healthy addition to your diet that can naturally support your metabolism and help with fat loss. They're low in calories and fat, yet full of nutrients, especially B vitamins like riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid. These vitamins play a big role in helping your body turn food into energy, keeping your metabolism running smoothly. One of the most helpful things about mushrooms is their fiber, particularly a type called beta-glucan. This fiber helps keep you full longer, supports digestion, and prevents blood sugar spikes, making it easier to avoid overeating or unhealthy snacking. Mushrooms also contain powerful antioxidants, like selenium and ergothioneine, which help fight inflammation. Since chronic inflammation can slow down your metabolism and lead to weight gain, reducing it can make a big difference in how your body handles fat. Thanks to their rich, savory flavor and meaty texture, mushrooms can easily replace high-calorie ingredients in meals without leaving you hungry. Swapping meat for mushrooms in dishes like burgers or stir-fries can cut calories while still keeping your meals satisfying. Some research even suggests that certain mushrooms may help your body better manage fat and insulin levels, both key for weight control. Number 3. Green lentils.
Green lentils. Lentils are also middle aisle foods that actually light up your metabolism. Lentils are a tradition in the Middle East, a Mediterranean style food. Again, great warming foods for the season.
Green lentils are a powerhouse food that can naturally boost your metabolism and support fat loss. Packed with plant-based protein and fiber, they help you feel full longer, making it easier to avoid overeating or unnecessary snacking. Their fiber also keeps your digestion running smoothly and helps balance blood sugar levels, which is key to preventing fat storage. What makes green lentils even more effective is their nutrient profile. They're rich in iron, which helps maintain your energy and keeps your metabolism functioning well. Plus, they're loaded with B vitamins like folate and B6 that help your body turn food into energy more efficiently. Unlike processed carbs, green lentils are low in fat and have a low glycemic index, meaning they release energy slowly and keep you satisfied for hours. This makes them a great addition to any diet focused on fat loss and long-term health. Number 4. Chili peppers.
Chili peppers. Now, there's something in chili peppers called capsaicin, and capsaicin fires up your body's metabolism, and it uses your beneficial fat to burn down your harmful fat. I actually love spicy food. And look, here's an arbol chili pepper. So look at all the different varieties you can actually find, all dried. And you know what? If you don't know what to do, if I don't know what to do with chili peppers, you know what I do? I go on Google and I type in the name arbol chili peppers, and what I'll do is I'll look at the search results and hit video, and I'll actually watch somebody teach me how to use it.
Chili peppers do more than just add heat to your meals. They can also give your metabolism a natural boost. The secret lies in capsaicin, the compound that makes them spicy. Capsaicin helps slightly raise your body temperature, which in turn encourages your body to burn more calories, even when you're not being active. Over time, this small boost can support weight loss when paired with a healthy lifestyle. What's more, chili peppers may help you feel fuller for longer. Some research suggests that spicy foods can curb appetite, making it easier to eat less without feeling deprived. That means you're not only burning more calories, you're also potentially taking in fewer. They're also packed with antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory benefits, which support overall metabolic health. Plus, because chili peppers are low in calories, they're a great way to add big flavor to your food without relying on high-fat or sugary ingredients. Number 5. Dried apricots, dried fruits.
Dried apricots. Dried fruits are something that I'm really going to be trying to eat more of, because they're a great way to get dietary fiber, and the bioactives are actually present in dried fruits as well.
Dried apricots and other dried fruits can be a smart, satisfying addition to your diet, especially when you're aiming to boost your metabolism and manage body fat. They're naturally rich in fiber, which helps keep your digestion on track, balances blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. That means you're less likely to snack on empty calories throughout the day. These fruits also pack a punch when it comes to essential nutrients. Dried apricots are loaded with vitamin A, iron, potassium, and antioxidants, all of which support your body's energy systems and overall metabolic health. For instance, iron helps carry oxygen in your blood and fuels energy, while potassium supports healthy muscles and fluid balance. Because they're naturally sweet, dried fruits can satisfy sugar cravings in a much healthier way than processed snacks. They're great for a quick energy boost, especially before a workout. Just keep portions in check, as they're calorie-dense due to the lack of water. Number 6. Cranberries.
Cranberries. Dried cranberries. They're great to really just kind of snack on. Cranberries have a great source of tannins. They actually help your gut bacteria grow better. So there's a really good gut bacteria called Akkermansia nucinophila. It loves to live in the gut. When you eat cranberries, your gut actually becomes a more hospitable environment for the healthy bacteria, boosts your immune system, helps streamline your metabolism. These are all metabolism healthy food.
Cranberries are more than just a tart holiday treat. They can be a great ally for your metabolism, gut health, and weight goals. Packed with antioxidants and natural plant compounds like polyphenols, cranberries help reduce inflammation and support how your body processes fat and sugar. This can make it easier to maintain a healthy weight and steady energy levels. What really sets cranberries apart is their impact on your gut microbiome. They contain prebiotic fibers that nourish the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut plays a big role in digestion, metabolism, and even how your body stores fat. When your gut is balanced, everything from nutrient absorption to appetite control can improve. Cranberries also help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and reducing the likelihood of fat buildup, especially around the midsection. Their tangy flavor makes them a tasty, low-calorie way to curb sweet cravings without turning to sugary snacks. Number 7. Roasted almond and cashew nuts.
Roasted almonds, another great choice for your metabolism. And here are cashews. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but raw cashews you would pick in a tree in Indonesia actually are poisonous. So this is an example of a nut that if raw actually is deadly. However, the way they do it is they actually pick them, they boil them, it removes all the toxin, and then they roast them, and you have this delicious, fiber-rich, healthy food, good for your gut.
Roasted almonds and cashews aren't just tasty, they can actually support your metabolism and help with fat loss when enjoyed in moderation. These nuts are loaded with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which keep you feeling full and satisfied longer. That means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. Almonds are especially great for metabolic health. They're rich in magnesium, vitamin E, and monounsaturated fats, all of which help regulate blood sugar and keep your energy levels steady. Cashews, on the other hand, offer iron, zinc, and other nutrients that support hormone balance and overall metabolic function. Even though nuts are calorie-dense, they don't necessarily lead to weight gain. In fact, your body doesn't absorb all the fat from whole nuts, and their nutrient combination helps curb cravings and promote stable energy throughout the day. Roasting them adds a delicious crunch without compromising their benefits. Just go easy on added salt or oils. Number 8. Walnuts.
Walnuts. Walnuts are some of my favorite. Walnuts have actually been shown to improve your immune system by feeding your gut microbiome. And when that actually happens, it actually makes your body respond better to medicines. Specifically, the study was done in patients with colon cancer, stage 3 colon cancer, getting regular cancer treatment, including nuts in their diet, actually lowered their mortality by more than 50%. So here's an example of something that your doctor's not going to prescribe, but that I would actually encourage you to eat if you're battling cancer. Feed your gut, improve your immune system, help your own body's to help defenses fight disease. And of course, good, healthy immune system also prevents diseases as well.
Walnuts are more than just a tasty snack. They're packed with nutrients that support your metabolism, boost your immune system, and even help manage body fat, thanks to their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA. Walnuts help your body burn fat more efficiently, keeping your metabolism active and healthy. They're also high in protein and fiber, which keeps you feeling full longer and can help curb unhealthy cravings. What makes walnuts even more impressive is their immune-boosting power. They're loaded with antioxidants, polyphenols, and important nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc, all of which help your body fight off illness and reduce inflammation. Despite being high in calories, walnuts can actually support weight loss goals. Their healthy fats, combined with fiber and protein, promote satiety, and may reduce belly fat when eaten regularly as part of a balanced diet. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new about why body fat matters and which foods can help you burn fat and heal from within, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Comment below which food you're most excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly, science-backed health tips. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep nourishing your body. This video is for educational purposes only. The information presented here is not medical advice. Please consult your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have a pre-existing condition.